Hi everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. iPadOS 27 has recently started rolling out. Have you updated your iPad yet? After this update, the way to enter recovery mode on iPad has changed a little. So if you are not sure how it works now, this video will walk you through it step by step. Before we start, let's quickly talk about what recovery mode is. Recovery mode is a built-in system recovery feature on iPad. When your iPad gets stuck on a white screen, freezes, stays on the Apple logo, or fails during an update, you may need to enter recovery mode first before fixing the device. Alright, let's get started. Method 1. Entering recovery mode manually. Unlike before, after updating to iPadOS 27, you do not need to connect a power cable first. You can start the process directly on your iPad. First, press the volume up button, then press the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button. Keep holding it when you see the message. Continue holding for recovery. Do not release the button until you see Loading Recovery option. Once that appears, you can let go. After the page finishes loading, your iPad will enter the Recovery Assistant screen. From here, choose Recovery Mode, then tap Restart iPad. After the restart, your iPad will enter the Recovery Mode screen. This new process is useful because it helps prevent users from entering recovery mode by accident. But honestly, the extra Recovery Assistant page also makes the whole process a bit more complicated. So, is there an easier way? Can you skip the manual button steps and enter recovery mode with just one click? Sure thing, you got this! That's where UltFone iOS System Repair comes in. Method 2. Using UltFone iOS System Repair to enter recovery mode with one click. Just connect your iPad to your computer and open UltFone iOS System Repair. Once the software detects your device, find the Recovery Mode feature in the lower left corner, then click Enter. Your iPad will enter recovery mode directly. No complicated button combinations, no Recovery Assistant page. Just connect the device and click once. And if you want to exit recovery mode, it is just as simple. Click Exit inside the software, and your iPad will leave recovery mode without erasing any data. Besides entering and exiting recovery mode, UltFone iOS System Repair can also help fix many common iPad system issues, such as being stuck on the Apple logo, white screen, black screen, update failure, or restart loop. For most common system problems, you can try standard repair first, which fixes the device without data loss. So if you often run into iPad system problems, or you simply do not want to press buttons every time you need recovery mode, this tool can make the process much easier. I've put the download link in the description below so you can check it out there. That's all for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the UltFone channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.